Good morning or good afternoon, all of my fellow flooring buddies. I am back out here on the Turner project. We're on about day 9. We've been doing a few other projects and also letting this one acclimate per se, but we're definitely moving right along. We got the floor sanded and we fumed it and then we've stained it. And now we're currently going through and installing some baseboard and trim. So take a look where we're at now. So here's my existing floor. Here's our herringbone that we installed. We're still making progress, and we anticipate having this bad boy wrapped up tomorrow. Isn't that right, Mr. Quarter?
Yes.
Right, Mr. Silver?
Yes, absolutely.
And it's going to be gorgeous. Oh yeah. Every wolf stove needs a custom piece of hardwood in front of it. We call that hashtag hardwood style.